Hi friends, this is Sanit More, the founder of Sanits.com, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of a laptop case named DynoTrek. So stay tuned till the very end of this video. Yeah, this is going to be a very quick video, so here we go. So talking about the quality of the case, the material that they have used on the outer surface is quite sturdy. It looks quite nice and it feels pretty strong and rugged from outside. Talking about the chain, I would say that it's on a decent side. You also get another small kind of a bag. I mean, I'm not sure whether you can fit your charger, your laptop charger into this, but yeah, your smaller accessories like SSDs or your pen drives or your cables or your mouse, those are the things that you can put in this little bag. It's quite a simple sort of a bag, nothing much complicated about it. If you're thinking about buying this bag, it's really a value for money because of the price point. It's not very much costly. It comes around about 500 rupees. So yeah, it is a very good quality bag. One thing that I would like to tell you is if your laptop is a older laptop or it's a fatter, thicker laptop, then check the dimensions. I have put the link in the description box below, but my laptop fits in quite well with this, and yeah, it is a very good bag. It's a very simple kind of a bag, but it gets the job done. On the sales page of the e-commerce websites that they're selling on, they are also saying that this is a water resistant bag. Yeah, if your laptop falls, it's not going to save your laptop from that fall, so be careful about that. But yeah, the foam is like quite nice to have. Chain is quite good. Yeah, and one more zip that you have in front of it, you can keep something. But the weird thing about this is if you put your laptop in this bag and then you try to put anything else in the bag, chances are you won't be able to do that because there's not a lot of space in this bag to keep other than your laptop. If you're interested in buying this, I'll put a link in the description box below. See you in my next video. Till then, stay connected and bye.